quiet countryside, a soul on fire for a new art and Nina's love, my deep desire. But she's drawn to another celebrated name, igniting in my heart a silent burning flame, a desperate act to make her finally see a fallen seagull, a sacrifice from me. In this quiet estate, a soul is set aflame for a new art's vision and for Nina's name. But Trigorin's fame has captured her heart. A silent jealousy tears my world apart. This fallen seagull, my sacrifice to see, my love, my soul, my tragedy.